Hey guys, it's your man here, the Big Zero, back with another video. And in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make money using Tubebuddy. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, before I show you guys how to make money using Tubebuddy, I have to show you guys what is Tubebuddy, or tell you guys what is Tubebuddy rather. So first of all, Tubebuddy, you can use it to get advanced keyword research. You can use it to cut publishing time in half. What I mean by that is you can use Tubebuddy to make your thumbnails while you're publishing your video, and you can use it to rank higher in search results, and you can use it to get more views and subscribers. I personally do recommend using Tubebuddy because Tubebuddy has really helped me a lot. I want to send some props over there to Tubebuddy because they're really helpful. So guys, if you like what you just heard and you want to try out Tubebuddy for yourself, my link will be down in the description. So don't forget to go down there and check it out and download Tubebuddy for free. So guys, what you're gonna do is come to your browser and then type in Tubebuddy. Click on it. Then you're gonna come over to company, which is right here. Go down to affiliate program, and then you can look at this. So guys, I do actually invite you to read this, and when you read it, it will tell you what you are going to be doing and how you are going to be making money. So after you've read it, you can click on sign up. Then you'll have to enter your Gmail, put in your password. If you haven't signed up already, sign up, and then it will bring you to this page. Because I have already did it, it will bring me to this page, and it will show you how much money you make, and yeah, that's basically it. Okay guys, so you have made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what was your favorite part of the video, and comment down below if you have made any money on from this video, and just tell me how was your experience using Tubebuddy. Don't forget to go down in the description and click on that link so you can download and install the Tubebuddy extension on your browser. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.